Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Scotiabank app shows a something went wrong error, here's how to fix it. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the Scotiabank app, swipe it away and close it completely. Then, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then open it again. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then log out of the app and restart your phone, then log back in. If the error keeps appearing, update the app or reinstall it to remove corrupted data. Also, ensure your phone software is up to date. If none of these steps work, the issue may be on Scottish Bank's side. Contact customer support for assistance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick